Hi K-Buddies! Engineer JL here, ready to install your window-type air conditioner. Here are few reminders to ensure your unit will operate properly and safely. Gumamit ng Colin recommended window-type aircon bracket. Use the Colin recommended brand of window-type aircon bracket. Kaya nito from 0.6 HP hanggang 2.5 HP. Makapal ang powder coating, kaya protektado sa kalawang. May kasama na itong bolt and nut for installation. This bracket ay naka-angle na ng 89 degrees. This will ensure your unit is slightly tilted at the back para sa proper drainage o circulation ng accumulated water. Using this bracket will not just reduce the vibration that cause unwanted noise, but also firmly secures the unit para hindi bumagsak o worse, matulak ang unit para gawing akis na magnanakaw ang butas sa pader at bintana. You may get this window type bracket from our authorized service partners or through our Colin Lazada official store. Safety reminders. Siguraduhin din na ang power outlet, breaker, at wiring ay pasok sa safety standards. Huwag gumamit ng adapter tulad nito or extension cord at huwag din putulin ang ground prong. Gumamit lamang ng 1 gang aircon outlet with ground. Siguraduhin din na tama ang ampere rating para sa HP ng aircon mo. This will prevent loose connection that cause the unit to malfunction or worse, pag sumulan pa ito ng electrical fire. Ensure the dedicated outlet and breaker for the AC unit. Wala dapat kasama sa linya na ibang appliances upang maiwasan ang overloading at overheating. Kaya K-Buddies, follow our social media pages for more call information at call-in tips.